Hello everyone, my name is Gissel and today we have another Kiara Sky unboxing, so let's just get right to it. I did order two separate times because I ordered like a big purchase and then I was like, oh wait, I want a little bit more. And yeah, so these came separately. So the big box I ordered July 2nd and it came 10 days later. And then the small box I ordered July 4th and it came about 2 weeks later. So that's why I'm filming it super late, because these did not come really fast to me. Also, this one shipped out before the bigger one and this one got here after. So I was like this close to emailing them because I was like, where is this? It hasn't moved. And then it moved on like the last day or something. I don't know. Anyways, let's just get right into this. Alright, so I did pick up a lot and let me get right into it. So I did pick up their 8 Kolinsky brush. Well, their size 8 Kolinsky brush. And I just wanted a smaller one because it works better for shorter nails in my opinion. So let's just take this right out. So this is how it looks. It's pretty small. And comparing it with the number 12 that I'm going to use and the number 10, you can just tell the bristles are just a lot longer. So I'm sure I'll love this because I just know I will, because I like the other ones that I have. So, you know. So I also picked up their acrylic primer and top coat. I picked up, I believe, the bundle and then just the acrylic primer on the side. Like I said in my previous videos, recently I really want to try different acrylic primers other than the Young Nails Protein Bond. So yeah, and I think the acrylic top coat, it just gives a little bit more shine than the original non-wipe top coat. I'm really not sure. So far, I don't read that this says non-wipe. It just, you might have to wipe it. It doesn't really say non-wipe, but I don't mind. I have alcohol to wipe it if anything. And then this acrylic primer, hopefully it works good. It is non-acid. Alrighty, I also picked up 2 drill bits. I got the large smooth top fine black bit. And then I got the cuticle cleaner. And I know I already have these two, but I just wanted another cuticle cleaner and I wanted another fine smooth top bit, like a safety bit, because why not? They were on sale and they're at a great price. So I picked up their rub-on chrome in rose gold. I just thought I might as well have it. I know I like complain about it being messy and stuff, but this one so far, the powder isn't everywhere. It's not super hard to open either, and this is kind of how it looks. Really pretty. I'm hoping it doesn't come out super dark, but we'll see. Next, I've got a base coat. Like I said in my previous videos, I'm trying to see base coats for gel because I personally don't put base coat because I do it on top of acrylic. But it's really nice for those that don't want acrylic or dip powder, so I just put base coat on. And I want to try something else other than iGel Beauty and Valentino Beauty Pure. So why not have Kiara Sky? Let's see how that works. I also picked up 2 nude colors. I got the Perfect Nude and Tan Lines. I will be swatching them later, but so cute. So these 3, I know I picked up 2 clears. I think this one's clear, and I just need an extra clear because mine's running low, and mine's is like barely anything from all the glitter. So I just need to pick up another clear. This one is Glistening Snow and Shirley Temple. So I picked up a few of their cover colors, which is, what, picked up 7 apparently. I don't really count Glistening Snow as a cover color, but I still got it because I thought it would be cute. I picked up 2 clears, which don't need swatches, to be honest. They're clears obviously clear. So I'm going to start off with the gel swatches first, and then I'll move on to the acrylic swatches. So let's get to it. So first we're starting off with tan lines. This is how tan lines looks. It is such a gorgeous color. You would think that it pulls like a little bit of pink. I mean, it kind of does, but I see brown, mauve-y kind of colors. It's so, so, so pretty. I don't have a nude like this in gel form. Super cute. Oh, just like, so good. It's like a perfect nude even for like the fall for my skin tone. It's just really nice. But yeah, tan lines. Next we have the perfect nude. So this is the perfect nude. Such a good color as well. Really pulls some peachy tones into it, but it's so nice. So comparing it to tan lines, you could definitely tell that the perfect nude does pull peachier, and this one just pulls a little bit more mauve. Like I said, still gorgeous, gorgeous nude colors. Cannot wait to use them. They're perfect. For the first acrylic swatch, I'm going to be doing Shirley Temple. This is smaller print than they usually have, and it's on a white background. So this is really easy to read for me, but this one I kind of have to look for it, and the small print doesn't help. I could read it, but someone who can't see from up close that needs like glasses, it's kind of hard to read, to be honest. But this is Shirley Temple. Shirley Temple is described as a pinky nude, soft pink. So this is Shirley Temple. It is a really pale pink. It does give hints of nude. It's not super pink, but it's such a soft powder pink. Baby pink? Yeah, soft powder baby pink is the best way that I can describe it. Next up, we have pale pink, and pale pink is described as a classic pale pink with cool undertones. So this is pale pink, and it's super cool undertone. This looks gorgeous. Comparing it to Shirley Temple, you can just tell this pulls a lot more of that pink. I thought this was pulling more pink, but this is like a soft creamy pink, and then this one's like a real baby pink. So you could definitely tell the difference. Next I have Rose Water, and Rose Water is described as a warm nude with a hint of rosy pink, like a baby pink and nude mix. Okay, so this is rose water, and rose water has the most beautiful hints of pink and nude all at the same time. Their description of it was on point. This is it compared to the other two, and you could just tell it just pulls a lot more like of a warm nude rosy pink. So definitely such a pretty color. So one quick thing that I want to mention before putting rose water away, this was the only one that when I was swatching, you could see the hints of red or pink that they added into the powder, so like the pigmentation. Usually the monomer would just fade it away, and it did, but this is the only one so far that I've realized that has a lot of those pigmentation little like powders in here. This is the only one that doesn't really close correctly, so like there's a gap in between the jar and the lid. I just have to close it like super tight compared to the other ones. I don't know, the only one that's kind of weird, the jar. Anyways, moving on. Next we have Boujee Beige. I probably said that weird, but you know what I mean. And Boujee Beige is described as a pinky beige hue with hints of peach. This is Boujee Beige, and it is so cute. It's, I don't know how to describe it. I wouldn't consider it a beige. I don't know. Comparing it to the other ones, it is more mauvey, I guess you could say, or warm toned. I don't know. I really wouldn't consider it a beige, but it's cute. I mean, I can see it kind of now, but still, it's really nice. Last but not least, I got Sweet as Pie because I wanted like a deeper nude. Sweet as Pie is described as a soft nude with taupe undertones, perfect for warmer undertones and deeper skin colors. This is Sweet as Pie, and I do see like the soft nude taupe undertones. It doesn't really, in my opinion, pull very pinky. It definitely has a very like natural undertone. I wouldn't say neutral, I would say more natural because it is a perfect cover color. And yet again, I'm going to be comparing it to the other ones. It does pull those taupe colors. It's really nice, super unique. Love it. Picked up another color, but this one isn't a cover color. It is just one of their colors called I Do, and I've been dying to get this color for the longest time. It is a shimmery blush, milky pink, and romantic pearlescent shimmers according to the description on Kiara Sky's website. And you could definitely see all those glitters in it. This is I Do. It is such a beautiful pink shimmer. It's so gorgeous. I love it. Exactly what I was looking for. It's like a perfect wedding color. The last color we have is Glistening Snow. Glistening Snow is described as a shimmering white or an icy twist. So cute. So this is how Glistening Snow looks. It is so cute. This is kind of how I thought of Quartz, the glitter and clear would kind of look. Obviously clear, but this is such a gorgeous color. Perfect name for it too. Glistening Snow. Yeah, I see that. Alright, so excuse the background noise. I have my AC on. It's hot. Sorry, guys. But yeah, there is Glistening Snow, I Do, Sweet as Pie, sorry for the light reflection, Boujee Beige, Rose Water, Pale Pink, and Shirley Temple. And you can definitely see that they are all different. Starting off with Shirley Temple, which is the bottom one. You could just tell it has a bit more nude than Pale Pink, and in general is lighter than the rest. And Shirley Temple is gorgeous. It is the perfect pale cover color that you need. Pale Pink, on the other hand, yes, it is a hint of pink. It is soft and it's not as vibrant, I guess you would say, as the other ones, but really gorgeous pink. Can't go wrong with a pink like this. And you can definitely tell there's a different undertone between all of them. So Rose Water definitely has that warm rose color. Comparing it to Boujee Beige or I Do, which are kind of like in the same pinkish realm, this just pulls so much more, I don't know, a little bit creamier, smoother. So Rose Water is just like a perfect like French pink color, I guess you could say, if you like this kind of pink for your French nails. Boujee Beige definitely pulls a lot more peach in my opinion, and compared to all of them, the rest really don't. They either pull very pink or pale or just not this kind of color. I wouldn't consider this a beige, but it definitely pulls a little bit more peach and I really like it. Sweet as Pie is a cute taupey color. I really like it. I'm really glad that I got this color, and I can't compare it to the rest because it isn't comparable. It does have like a hint of brown, gray. It's just really nice. I love it. And it definitely pulls more on the cool tone side. So I've been wanting since forever, and this has shimmer in it. I don't know if you could see it, but it definitely does have shimmer in it, and that's the difference between these. So like if you want to compare it to one of these, the only difference is that this actually has shimmer. So yeah, and it's a gorgeous pink. I wouldn't say that it's like a nude. It's definitely a solid pink with shimmer. And then Glistening Snow, I mean, the name just goes with it. It is a white with reflex in it, and it's just so pretty. It has the best shimmer, and this will go great for anyone doing like a sugar effect. You can even have this as like the base and it'll be nice. So that's all the stuff that I ordered, including the new number 8 brush. It's so pretty, everything. I love every cover color that I got, including the extra one that I got named I Do. So pretty. Definitely love me some nudes, and I will be adding them to my nude collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.